You think you're choosing your holiday meals. But the truth is, AI already decided everything you're going to cook, order, and crave in December. The recipes you discovered, the festive foods trending on TikTok, the groceries recommended to you, the holiday deals pushed inside delivery apps. None of them were random. None of them were your decision. AI is feeding you, literally. Food apps, shopping apps, social media, and even your grocery store run on algorithms designed to shape what you want, when you want it, how much you spend, how much you eat, and what emotional state you're in while eating. Your holiday menu is not a choice. It's a machine-generated diet plan optimized for profit. TikTok doesn't promote recipes because they taste good. It promotes recipes that increase watch time, match your psychological cravings, trigger nostalgia, sell sponsored ingredients, fit the comfort food emotional pattern. If you paused on a chocolate clip for 1 second, TikTok builds an entire December filled with sweetness. If you watched a cozy soup video, TikTok categorizes you as seasonal comfort seeker. Your taste is engineered by an algorithm. Modern supermarkets use heat maps, footpath tracking, predictive demand models, purchase history algorithms, scent manipulation, emotional lighting, to decide where the turkey goes, where the snacks go, which holiday foods you'll buy impulsively, what you think is fresh, what looks on sale but isn't. You think you're shopping. AI is choreographing your movement. Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub. They all use craving prediction models. They track your comfort food patterns, your stress eating cycles, your weekend weakness, your late night cravings, your holiday indulgence levels. During December, these apps increase. Pizza promotions, dessert recommendations, holiday bundles, AI-generated meal deals. Your cravings aren't random, they're stimulated. Thousands of holiday recipes online are written by AI models trained to predict your taste, use cheap ingredients, push sponsored brands, increase platform engagement, optimize for search trends. The viral meal you found? It wasn't posted by a chef, it was posted by an algorithm. AI isn't helping you cook, it's teaching you what to want. Food is emotional, AI knows that. It knows when you're lonely, stressed, nostalgic, celebrating, procrastinating, and it suggests foods that match the emotion, not the occasion. This is why millions overspend and overeat every December. You're not hungry, you're programmed. AI doesn't just choose your meals, it predicts your cravings, then creates the content that makes you crave them. It's not reading your appetite, it's shaping it. This holiday season, remember, the meals you think you're choosing were chosen for you months ago. Follow Just Do AI, because even your appetite is being controlled.